Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best gear ties are probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your home, workshop, or even your car, offering a simple yet incredibly effective solution for organizing everything from unruly cables and cords to larger items like hoses and extension cords, ensuring that your space remains tidy and your equipment is easily accessible without any frustrating tangles or messes. Number 5. Nite Steelie Orbiter Dash Kit. Introducing the Steelie Orbiter Dash Kit, your ultimate solution for hands-free phone use in a car. Experience effortless mounting with our low-profile magnetic technology. This holder features a powerful magnet that attaches securely to a metal plate, which adheres to most phone cases. This ensures your phone stays put without any magnets touching it directly. The dash mount is equipped with an articulating steel ball. This allows for smooth tilting and adjustment, ensuring your phone is always at the perfect viewing angle. Enjoy an ultra-strong hold thanks to the combination of a powerful neodymium magnet and a smooth silicone center. This pairing provides a secure grip and effortless glide. Nite is dedicated to creating inventor-driven products that simplify your life. We stand by our creations with our worry-free guarantee. What we like. This mount offers a super strong magnetic hold for your phone. Its articulating ball allows for smooth tilting. If you're looking for a sleek and easy-to-use dashboard phone mount that keeps your device secure and adjustable, this is the one for you. What people say. The Nite Gear Tie is a versatile and durable cord management tool that securely holds cables and other items in place. Its flexible design allows for easy wrapping and unwrapping, making it ideal for organizing everything from charging cords to camping gear. The Nite Gear Tie features a strong, rubber-coated wire that provides a reliable grip without damaging surfaces. Number 4. Nite CamJam XD Aluminum Rope Tightener. This rope tie-down system is built to last. It has a working load limit of 100 pounds and a break strength of 300 pounds, fitting ropes from 2 mm to 5 mm wide. Achieve a secure hold without any knots. Simply pull your cord through the cam mechanism to tighten and secure your loads effectively. This versatile accessory features a rugged aluminum carabiner. Use it to easily attach to a fixed point, making it perfect for hiking, camping, or securing your car. This comes with 10 feet of paracord, offering the ultimate tie-down solution. It's perfect for securing tarps, car loads, and tightening lines. Nite creates inventor-driven products designed to organize your life and protect your gear. We are committed to creatively solving everyday problems with our worry-free guarantee. What we like. This rope tightener provides a simple, not free way to secure loads. The integrated carabiner makes attachment easy. If you need a reliable and quick solution for tightening tarps, securing gear in your car, or managing camping lines, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These are snap hooks with a jam cleat mechanism incorporated. Cord capacity equals 1/16 inch, 3/16, or 2 mm to 5 mm, load capacity equals 280 pounds or 127 kilograms. Tie-down hook, easy to use. Very rapid deployment. Just pull in line, away from the hook, to tighten. Very rapid removal. Just pull to the side to release. Reliable and secure, will hold very well. Number 3. Nite Original Gear Tie 8-Pack. Tired of messy cables and cords? These versatile ties are perfect for bundling and organizing wires, and they're great for all your home DIY projects. With a durable rubber exterior for excellent grip and a flexible wire interior that holds its shape, these ties are designed to last. They offer a reliable way to keep your gear organized. Say goodbye to wasteful single-use zip ties. These reusable rubber ties are perfect for managing cords, headphones, and countless other everyday tasks. These patented ties are engineered for durability. They are waterproof and UV resistant, ensuring they can withstand the elements and last for years to come. Nite is dedicated to creating innovative products that help you organize your life, protect your gear, and creatively solve everyday problems. What we like. These reusable twist ties offer a versatile and durable solution for organizing cables and gear. Their rubber exterior provides a great grip, and they are built to last. If you're tired of messy cords and need a long-lasting, flexible organizer for home, office, or travel, these are perfect. What people say. These ties are so durable and come in all sorts of sizes. You can even combine them to get the perfect size you need for your task. These twist ties were great in a pinch and would have likely held up for the season. These are flexible and have a non-slip elastic coating and can be bent and twisted into a variety of shapes, and can be used to hang, tie, and support pretty much anything you can think of. Number 2. Nite Original Gear Tie. Tired of messy cables and cords? Introducing the Nite Gear Tie, your ultimate solution for keeping things tidy. Its flexible design makes organization a breeze. This reusable twist tie is incredibly versatile. Use it to secure everything from charging cables to garden hoses. It's built to last, saving you money and hassle. Crafted with a durable rubber exterior, it provides a strong grip without scratching surfaces. This ensures your belongings stay securely fastened. From your home and office to your car and outdoor adventures, the possibilities are endless. Keep your gear organized wherever you go. Securing your items is as simple as a twist. Just wrap it around and twist the ends together. It's that easy to achieve a neat and organized space. Trust the original for reliable organization. The Nite Gear Tie is the simple, effective way to manage your cords and keep your life clutter-free. What we like. These reusable twist ties offer a versatile and durable solution for organizing cables and gear. Their rubber exterior provides a great grip, and they are built to last. If you're tired of messy cords and need a long-lasting, flexible organizer for home, office, or travel, these are perfect. What people say. The Nite Gear Tie is a versatile and durable cord management solution. Its flexible design allows for easy wrapping and securing of cables, preventing tangles and keeping them organized. The rubber coating provides a good grip, ensuring that the ties stay in place. I found the Nite Gear Tie to be incredibly useful for organizing my backpack. It's perfect for bundling charging cables, headphones, and other small accessories. The bright colors make them easy to spot, and they are strong enough to hold even thicker cords. Number 1. Nite's TagLit Rechargeable Magnetic LED Marker. Introducing the TagLit Rechargeable Magnetic LED Marker. This powerful light clip ensures you're seen while running or walking in low light conditions. Simply push a button to activate its bright LED. Featuring strong neodymium magnets, it easily attaches to your clothing, hat, shoes, or backpack. This ensures it stays put no matter your activity. Don't let the weather stop you. This durable and weather-resistant light is designed to withstand rain and wind, keeping you visible on any adventure. Enjoy up to 7 hours of continuous light on a single charge. When it's time to recharge, it only takes 1.5 hours via a micro USB cable. Nite is dedicated to creating innovative products that solve everyday problems. We help you organize, protect, and light your way. What we like. This rechargeable LED marker provides excellent visibility for nighttime activities. Its strong magnetic clip attaches easily to clothing or gear. If you're a runner, walker, or cyclist who needs a reliable and convenient safety light that's easy to charge and wear, this is a must-have. What people say. Magnet attached light to any shirt or pant. Stays charged for a few runs. I can see this little red light blinking and moving around the property. The magnet on the light even opens the kitty door. A nice bonus. I got one for myself, too, for night walking. Even though rechargeable, in my experience, it can easily be clipped onto anything and it is very bright, and I love that it is rechargeable. This TagLit has survived extreme conditions and temps from 10 to 130 plus degrees, rain, snow, etc. I used it just this morning while running and plan to use it tomorrow. I can't say how many times I've recommended this product to others. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.